With malls opening up early this month in the state of Maharashtra, we did a channel check. We spoke to several retailers, front-end people as well, to just get in a sense of how things are panning out, what the footfalls are looking like, and what is exactly the demand trend as far as the initial pickup and initial recovery is concerned. Well, malls have seen most of their stores open and operational. Some select stores still are renegotiating their rentals, their contracts with their landlords, but mostly it's opened up as far as malls are concerned in the state. Restaurants are still closed very much across the board for dine-outs. There's only delivery and takeaway services that are still functional and open for customers. Stores and malls are still at about 10 to 20% of last year retail sales. That's one headline statement or headline update that we were able to garner with our interaction with various retailers and mall association people. Apparel retailers like a Trent, for example, or a V-Mart, as far as their July 2020 update is concerned, they were at about 40 to 45% of last year's sales. So, given that these particular retailers have the standalone presence as well, barring shops and stores in malls, they've only been able to recover to 40 to 45% of last year's sales. So that is a tad bit concerning at this point in time. Retailers with high proportion of stores in malls, the likes of a Shoppers Stop, for instance, are at 30% of last year. So they are much worse off, given that mall reopening happened also much later. Flagship and standalone stores were allowed to open well in advance of the stores located within the malls. West Side, the update is that 95% of their stores have reopened. Do remember, West Side has a presence in the format of standalone stores as well as a decent presence across various malls in the country and in Maharashtra. Shoppers Stop has reopened 80% of its stores. Largely, most of them are based inside malls. V-Mart has also said that they've reopened 20% store. And Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, which also handed in their numbers earlier today, has talked about weak demand. They're saying third-party e-commerce websites and their own websites and online portals are witnessing good traction. But as far as the stores are concerned, 90% of them have reopened. But let's see how the footfall and how the demand in traditional retail stores pans out, because for now, as far as recovery is concerned, there's still a long way to go. There's still about 40-45% of last year. Given that the festive season is now coming up with Ganpati, with Onam in the southern part of the country, then leading up to Navratri, etc. in different parts of the country, we're expecting, or rather the retailers are expecting, that demand will recover or at least shoot up ahead of the festive and wedding season. Let's see how that pans out. For now, this is how the update looks like.